Samsung finds solutions through questioning. Is there a high energy efficiency air conditioner? Which air conditioner has suitability for diverse environment? Is it possible to find a slim and light air conditioner for easy installation? What is an all-in-one system that provides not only air conditioning, but also water heating system in the same product? Samsung System Air Conditioner enables everything to be possible. Next generation smart building experience. Samsung System Air Conditioner.
Yes, I'm a developer in the commercial and residential property markets. I've done a number of large-scale office buildings in central London recently. Well, two things I think are really important. One is energy efficiency and the other is control.
Many customers consider energy efficiency while selecting an air conditioner. Samsung suggests DVMS as the most suitable product for customers. DVMS contains dual compressors. DVMS produces faster cooling effects by dual digital inverter system. The dual scroll inverter compressors enable reaching the desired temperature in less time. It is more energy efficient compared to conventional fixed inverters. Vapor injection system recycles the wasted energy back into the compressors with 18% more refrigerant flow rate compared to the conventional products. It's DVMS of Samsung, carefully dealing with energy efficiency. Samsung also suggests Zen Manager for the needs of a control system. Zen Manager enables the monitoring of energy use on PC as well as smart devices. Not only remotely controlling the air conditioner system in each space, but this also analyzes the current conditions and provides for the future with the monitored data. Also, Samsung suggests a user-friendly managing function that reports errors in the system management to the users.
Yeah, with Samsung I think we found the perfect solution and brand partner.
Sì, io sono ingegnere nella progettazione di edifici civili, per il terziario, per hotel. Flessibilità di un sistema è molto importante. Samsung è molto adatta in quanto flessibile alla riqualificazione di edifici in cui ci siano delle problematiche particolari di inserimento all'interno dell'edificio esistente. Ma direi molto elevato in quanto ho potuto apprezzare l'elevato livello tecnologico dei prodotti Samsung.
Samsung suggests various types of indoor units for diverse inner spatial environment. Duct, allowing a low noise level and hidden installations in guest rooms. Cassette, easily controlling the temperature in restaurants and fitness centers. Console, partly heating and cooling meeting rooms. RAC, enhancing cost efficiency in managers' offices. Also, Design Support Program handles the needs for optimal design. LCC Analysis helps on efficient planning as well as an easy comparison by analyzing the price of specific items and the period of use. With CFD analysis, it enables to analyze the indoor air current, and it enhances to find the most suitable indoor unit for the location. DVM Pro is a planning program with all kinds of functions of Samsung's air conditioning products for an easy planning. It is a Samsung system air conditioner that creates a perfect harmony with diverse environment in buildings.
Ho fiducia in Samsung.
Profesionalno se bavimo instalacijom klimatizacije po shopping centrima, objektima gdje je potrebno hlađenje i grijanje i to nam je osnovni posao. Potrebno je odabrati uređaje za odgovarajući prostor i potrebno je obratiti pažnju na lakoću instalacija, težinu uređaja i kasnijem održavanju. Ne samo jednostavnost instalacija, kupci su prezadovoljni sa dizajnom, grijanjem, hlađenjem i ispravnostom uređaja. Tihim radom.
Samsung suggests Duct S as the most suitable solution for the easy installation of an air conditioning system. The benefit of Duct S is the slim and light. Its size is 30% smaller and weight is 42% lighter than conventional products. Also, three-way service enables to open the product from diverse directions, such as top, bottom, and side, which eventually supports an easy and convenient after-service. Duct S shows the confidence in its powerful cooling performance. The increased size of new Scirocco fan performs more powerfully than conventional products. New Scirocco fan has 3 fans from previously 2 fans, and it is even more powerful with 3 fans. Also, 30% higher heat exchange efficiency of flat micro-channel evaporator enormously boosts energy efficiency. These are Samsung system air conditioners specifications and benefits that will satisfy both installers as well as customers.
Da, svi vjerujemo i vjerovat ćemo u Samsung.
Pues yo soy arquitecto de profesión, me dedico a hacer residencial de lujo, a diseñar viviendas y hacer proyectos llave en mano completos, coordinándolos completamente. Bueno, nosotros los arquitectos nos basamos mucho en la estética de los productos, con lo cual Samsung está consiguiendo con sus nuevas unidades interiores una gran calidad en este tipo de producto para residencial. Sí, totalmente. El sistema All-in-One de Samsung es perfecto para nuestros proyectos residenciales, que encaja perfectamente en nuestros diseños de lujo.
The best solution for all-in-one system is EHS of Samsung. It is not necessary to install an air conditioner and a boiler separately. So you will experience simpler device management and economical space application. EHS leads energy efficiency with simultaneous operation of air conditioning and water heating system.
Nosotros confiamos en Samsung.
Samsung, offering optimal solutions to various needs. Next generation smart building experience. Samsung System Air Conditioner.